morning, ladies and gentlemen, here's Don Felipe from Shark POV Reviews, and today we got a brand new car for review. It's the 22 Maserati Grecale GT with the 2-liter 4-cylinder mild hybrid. So this is how the car looks like. This is the brand new Maserati, so it's a brand new line, a new platform, and it looks really nice. Also, we all know Maserati, the quality is much better now, but I'll show you later in the interior. So it's a mid-size SUV just under the Levante. It's well, its concurrents is the Audi Q5, the Porsche Macan, and yeah. So at the back is the new design language from Maserati. Looks really sharp, of course, because the Maserati you have 4 exhaust pipes, and there's your camera. And yeah, so but the engine, it's the new 2-liter engine, 4-cylinder with the mild hybrid system. It puts out about 300 horsepower, and also the sound is very nice for 4-cylinder. But yeah, we know Maserati, all the engines sound very good, but I'll show you later in the video the sound check from the car. And of course the Tridente logo from Maserati must be there. At the back of the car you got very lot of space. You can see it's all in black. You have flare stitching here, aluminum inserts, you have the audio system from Sonos. The door opening is not manual, it's electrical by this button here. And yeah, the seats are on full leather, very comfortable. And you also got an Alcantara roof. It's very beautiful made. It's good quality, like I said. They've made it really good. And yeah, but first to show you in the front seat how it looks like. This is how it looks like in front. It's a new system from Maserati. It's all digitalized, so full digital. It's nothing analog anymore. But let's hump in. So, welcome in the driver's seat of the Maserati Grecale. It's a new steering wheel, of course, from Maserati. Really sporty, very small, and has a very good grip. You also have, like in Ferrari, you have your start button here. Here you can change your drive modes from comfort to GT and all the way to sport. But you still got your physical buttons for your audio controls. But first let me turn on the car, then I can show you how it looks like. You see, you got a full LCD display which shows you your miles, so how fast you go, and also you got the typical Maserati clock is now fully digital, but you can change from classic view to sport view to digital view. You can charge your phone here, inductive. Here you got the climate control, and yeah, this of course to show you the new key from Maserati. It's very big and it's heavy. It's heavy in your hand, but it's sleek and looks really beautiful. So they really made a good step in front. And yeah, that would be all for now. So let's get to drive, and then I'll show you the rest of the car and how it goes, how it performs on the street. And I hope you will like the video. And of course, please, before we start, visit my Instagram channel, Shark POV Reviews, and of course you can see my other POV reviews for my other cars. You got the Mustang there, Peugeot 508, also the Audi RS e-tron GT. So click the bell icon button and subscribe to my channel. And now let's go for a drive. Alright guys, that would be it for it. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. That was me, Felipe from Shark POV Reviews.